Hey guys, today we're going to be doing some fishing with this Mickey Mouse push button rod that I got at Walmart for 20 bucks. So let's see what we can catch on it. For my rig, I just got a sinker, some leader line, and just a small little hook. I'm going to be using some power bait with it. Alright, we got it out there. Now we're just going to let it sit in the bottom. Alright guys, I think we're getting bit on the mini rod, so I'm going to check it. Fish on! Guys, we just had one on the mini Mickey Mouse push button, but unfortunately it came off, so let's cast it back out there. Alright, we got it back out there. Now all we got to do is wait. Alright, so we haven't had many bites, so I'm going to cast a rod over to that side. Alright, we got it out there, so let's see if we can get a bite. Alright guys, I think we're actually getting bit on the push button, so I'm going to check it. Alright, we didn't have a fish on there, so I'm just going to let it sit for a little bit longer. Got a fish. We got a fish on the push button, guys. We got a little trout, guys. There we go. That's a nice little trout. There he goes. Alright, well, that's everything for this video today, guys. Bye!